The following message is transmitted at the request of the Nueces County Sheriff's Office. An Amber Alert has been declared. A child abduction emergency is in effect for Nueces and San Patricio County in southern Texas. The child's name is Ethan Rankin. He is a 14-year-old white male, 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighs 120 pounds, with brown hair and brown eyes. He was last seen wearing a black jacket with white pants and black and white Nike Panda shoes. He was taken by an unknown male who took him by force in his car. He was last seen wearing an all-black outfit. He is driving a blue 2003 Honda CR-V bearing Texas license plate number DJR8828. The suspect was last heard from in Chapman Ranch, Texas. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call 911.